What's going on, F30 gang? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Six, man. Today we got a big day, biggest day of 2021 by far. So we finna go get these wheels on finally. I already got them loaded up into the whip, y'all can see. Finna head over to the tire shop right now and get them thrown on, show y'all the before and after. So look at this shit, like look at my tires. I plastic dipped them. Some of the plastic dip peeling off. It's just not looking too good. These tires are straight. My front tire is definitely done. So we getting somewhere. Finna change these out, throw the 7 spokes on. The car gonna look a lot harder. The car gonna look faster. It's just gonna make the car overall, it's just overall gonna help us out. So this is what I'm gonna do today. I'm finna head over to the tire shop now, get these thrown on, let y'all see what they look like afterwards. I appreciate y'all for tuning into the channel, gang. Y'all already know how we rocking, man. Let's get right into this video. On the way to the shop right now, gang. Sunny day today too, man. Beautiful out. Look at this, man. Beautiful day. But I'm really surprised the tires even fit in the car. Like, I only fit 3 wheels in the back. I had to get 1 in the trunk. I need to retwist. Okay, it's coming. You finna cruise over here though, gang. Man, y'all, so I pull up to the tire shop and the tires I ordered that I paid for already, they ain't even have them here. They was back ordered, and they just telling me when I pull up to my appointment that was scheduled with them. So although that happened, they also had some more tires, like same quality, same like size, same type of tire, that they had them in stock at the store. So I'm just gonna do those tires instead, and they actually came out to be like $50 cheaper than what I paid for before. So they're gonna refund me, and I'm gonna just, you know, do those other tires instead. So that's what we're gonna do right now. I'm waiting for the dude to come get me to pull my car into the little lift, and we finna get it rocking. Just a little setback, but we got right over that obstacle, and now we getting on to the next. Let's get it. It's time for that. Y'all see it. Y'all know we riding. So we had a little fitment issue, like a small one. Like the tire was, I mean, the rims was fitting on here, but it was like the fitting was like a little bit off, but it's fine though. Like dude said it'll be fine. So y'all can see here. That's one of the wheels right here finna go on right here. And we're getting the other side done as well. Y'all know how we rock it here. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. I'm not even low yet. I'm not even lower. I don't even got springs, coilovers, nothing. But hey, y'all see it. This look too hard. Let's go. All right, gang. The new wheels is on. It's feeling smooth so far. I ain't really drove yet, but I'm finna just go for a little cruise back over to my mom's spot, see how they feel. We finna see. But they look hard though. I'm rocking with them. All I need now is my bumper to get done and get some low on this thing and get that exhaust work done. We gonna be straight. They feel pretty smooth. Smooth. I'm rocking with it. I had to change my tires. I had some Milestars, some good ones. They're not great, you feel me? But then I had just got some, I think the brand was called Barium, something like that. But they good tires. So we in business now, folks. I'm gonna throw some pics on the gram. When I get to my mom's spot, I'm gonna take a better video of them so y'all can see them even better. But yeah, we in business. We in business. I'm at my Duke spot. Got the whip right here, y'all. So I'm gonna go ahead and let y'all see the final view of the rims, man. Looking hard, looking hard. I just threw some flicks on my Instagram if y'all want to check those out. I'm very much pleased. I think they look super hard. Eventually I'm gonna get some low. I'm gonna try to lower them on some coilovers, but I gotta budget for that now. I just had to take this big dent in my pocket from these, so it's gonna be a little minute. And I'm still trying to get my Import bumper painted. I ain't even did that yet, you feel me? So it's a process. It's a process. But yeah, gang, that's the wheels from VMR. Y'all let me know in the comments how y'all feel about them. If y'all think these look good on the F30. The matte black with the gray. Let me know how y'all think about this one. And I appreciate y'all for watching this video, gang. I'm gonna go ahead and wrap it up though. This is the hardest mod I've done to my whip so far. Like, this is the hardest thing I've done to the whip. So big day for the channel, big day for the whip, big day for me. I guess I'll just catch y'all in the next video. We got some more stuff on the way, more POVs on the way, all that. So appreciate y'all for tuning in, gang.